The home cooks race to finish a MasterChef Canada dish inspired by 3 randomly assigned spices.
Smelling spicy.
I'm not going home today.
But with time running out, Jenny has run into trouble.
Looks pretty raw on the inside.
Yeah.
15 minutes. You only have 15 minutes left.
I need to get my pork cooked. It's still rare. I need a plan B, so I just cut it in half, put 3 slices back in the oven as a backup, and sear the other half in my pan.
So spices can be an incredible gift, but they can also be a curse. Too many spices and not the right ratio can turn a dish upside down. So subtle.
I don't know what Tony's done. It looks like he's lost.
Coriander is really throwing me off right now. I'm not sure how to use it. It smells almost like oranges, so I put just a little bit of orange in there to enhance it a little bit more. Pressure is on, baby.
5 minutes. You only have 5 minutes left to bring those spices to life. 5 minutes.
Come on.
Andre is still cooking his oxtail with just 5 minutes to go.
The oxtail has to be very tender. There's some heavy hitters down there, man. Somebody huge is going home today.
Take your time. This is crazy.
2 minutes left. 2 minutes. 2 more minutes.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, final push here.
Last bit. Smells like campfire. I love it. I love it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Great job, guys.
Doesn't look pretty. I'm not a fancy plater like the rest of them.
I'm feeling really nervous. You can see the panic on the plate.
I am disappointed in the dish.
Andre, please bring up your dish.
I'm super excited for them to try this dish. For the first time, I feel really confident because I put myself all out on this dish.
Which McCormick gourmet spices did you use?
I used caraway seeds, ground cumin, and ground savory. So that's eggplant with panko, and we have a caraway seed naan, and the oxtail is stewed with ground cumin and the ground savory.
Wow, look at that. It just falls off the bone here. Andre, this is delicious. Wow. The execution of the spices, the way you control the heat, the aromas, it's a very humble, authentic dish. It's a knockout. It tells me that you want to be here.
I really do, Chef.
Chanel, please bring up your dish.
I got ground ginger, turmeric, and sage. I kind of did my take on a vermicelli bowl with shrimp.
The sauce is very, very tasty.
Oh, good.
Okay. I get this nice flavor from the Chinese ginger. The shrimp is perfectly cooked, but unfortunately, I'm not getting much sage. Once you hit the grill with these spices, a lot of it gets distorted because of the high heat. It's a nice, simple dish, but the sage is completely missing.
Tony, you're up next.
I had coriander, cardamom, and nutmeg. This is a ravioli stuffed with ricotta with a lamb ragu.
I think it's a shame that this ravioli is hiding underneath this lamb. Are you pleased with the way this turned out, this dish?
Yes.
I'm not sure it's your best work. I can taste the coriander in the sauce, but the nutmeg, that's missing. We haven't seen a lot of range from you yet. You're gonna need to really show us more than just Italian food.
I hope I get the opportunity.
What I'm picking up here is that coriander and the grated zest of orange. I think you added more orange to this, maybe just a little bit too much, and it's just made it too overpowering. It buried the flavor of some of those spices. Jennifer, it's time to taste your dish.
I hope the judges can see that I took the challenge really seriously and that I wanted all 3 of these spices to be the hero of it.
Tell me which McCormick gourmet spices you got in your box.
I used ground cinnamon, ground clove, and also thyme leaves. I've made what I'm calling the winter holiday market. There's a cinnamon creme pâtissière as well as a thyme tuile, and then just finished with a bit of smoke at the very end.
It is a very poetic dish. And the presentation, just gorgeous to look at. It's all there. That little hit of smoke, the clove, the cinnamon, the thyme. It's not overpowering, but it is full and creamy and light.
Yay.
One tip would be to make that tuile just a shade thinner.
Okay.
But overall, I like this dish.
Thank you, Chef.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well, I must say, when I look at this, it's simple but sophisticated. But what I say about taste?
Taste is king.
Wow. It's a very nice dish. It's executed well. This is like Christmas in a spoon.
Thank you so much, Chef. Totally mission accomplished. I couldn't have hoped for anything better.
Jenny, please bring your dish to the front.
I had fennel seed, celery seed, and cayenne pepper. It's my take on surf and turf. I made a nori-wrapped salmon, a kimchi, and I also made a celery-rubbed pork tenderloin.
Get that celery seed. Maybe just a little too much. And this is your kimchi?
That is my kimchi, yeah.
There's a little bit of a bitterness there, which is irritating me to some extent. I'm almost missing the fennel seed in terms of its flavor. We're now at that point where we need to see just a little bit more.
Okay.
Your inexperience with some of these ingredients and spices could cost you.
The pork tenderloin is a little tough. You know what I see here is great ambition, but the confidence is lacking. Do you think we've seen the best from you already?
I don't think you have.
I really want to see more.
I feel devastated, and I know I could have done better.
Cooking with spices inspired you all to stretch yourselves in ways we have not seen before.
Case in point, the best dishes of the night. In the #1 spot. Jennifer, congratulations.
Good job, girl.
Oh my God. I have the best dish.
But another home cook was also impressive. Andre, you know who I'm talking about.
Yeah, bud.
Good job, Andre.
Good job.
Congratulations, both of you will be captives in the next team challenge.
Wow. I'm finally in the competition. I think I'm fired up, and as soon as I get that fire lit under me, there's no stopping me.
Now, Jenny and Tony, please come to the front.
I might have had a bad day today, but I didn't come here to get sent home. I came here to grow and win.
I'm disappointed because I failed. I want to continue so bad. I know I can do more. I don't want to go home.
There is no doubt that both of you put your heart and soul into every single challenge. But unfortunately, today was not your day.
After considering every element on your plate, we have no choice but to say goodbye to Tony.
I love you.
I love you, Jenny. I love you.
Tony, from the moment you received your white apron, you've delighted us with your warmth and your exuberance.
Wow.
You are a man who values family more than anything, and you have infused that spirit into this group.
Thank you.
Your new MasterChef Canada family is going to miss you dearly. Now please come on up and say goodbye.